Picking the right website builder is like halfway to getting the website you need. And today I'm going to help you with that by comparing Wix versus Squarespace, two modern no-code website builder options. So, which platform takes the crown? Not so fast. That really depends on a lot of things, like on what kind of website you're building and how much work you're willing to do. But if you know better and just want to grab the lowest price for your preferred website builder, I got the discounts in the description. For everyone else, let's kick off this Squarespace versus Wix showdown by diving into one of the most important factors: ease of use. Starting with a Wix review, a platform that tries to please everyone at the same time. It comes with an intuitive drag and drop editor, which is great for beginners who want to design visually without touching a single line of code. But at the same time, it also offers plenty of room for creativity and customization, giving more advanced users the tools to customize layouts or even add custom code. It's this balance between simplicity and flexibility that makes Wix so appealing, and often kind of overwhelming as well. So with so many tools, right, features and options packed into one interface, it's kind of easy to get lost. Now, thankfully, Wix does have an AI website builder to simplify the experience. After just answering a few quick questions about your goals and style preferences, the AI builds a decent starter site. Alternatively, you can start from one of Wix's templates that honestly look good and professional. Now, from there, you're still gonna have to do some groundwork, tweak pages, rearrange sections, and fine-tune every color and font until your site feels like yours. For an easier start, Wix does also provide pre-built sections like a team showcase, while advanced users can dive into pixel level customization. Now, meanwhile, Squarespace takes a less is more approach. Its interface is clean, it's focused, and refreshingly uncluttered. So that's great if you're a beginner who'd rather create than tinker. Now, you're not gonna find the same deep customization as Wix, but that's part of its charm. Fewer distractions, smoother setup. That doesn't mean that your site is going to look worse visually, though, probably the opposite. Squarespace is famous for its templates, elegant, modern, and professional. Many look so good right out of the box that you might not need to change a thing, which is perfect for portfolios, small businesses, or creative brands. It's no surprise that Squarespace's aesthetic excellence extends to awards and marketing too. From stylish campaigns to celebrity collaborations with Adam Driver and Idris Elba. Its built-in AI keeps things structured, prioritizing polished layouts over wild experimentation. Honestly, though, it's hard to call it a full-on AI website builder. It's more like onboarding and support, which is not bad by any means. The trade-off is that you're going to get your site live faster, but with slightly less creative freedom. The editor itself is smooth and minimal, honestly, sometimes too minimal. You might catch yourself wondering if you're editing or just viewing the page. Still, it offers useful extras like podcast players, event calendars, and solid social media integrations, making it versatile enough for most projects. So, which website builder is better for beginners? I gotta go with Squarespace because if you want fast results with minimal effort while still looking professional, Squarespace is hard to beat. If that's what you're looking for, don't overpay and grab the biggest Squarespace coupon code by clicking the link in the description or just by scanning this QR code. But if you're after more control and don't mind a steeper learning curve, yeah, Wix is the better choice. You can also get it at the lowest price by using the link in the description. Now, before making the final decision, you might want to find out more about these best website builder options. So next, features. An arms race, if you will. Let's start with templates and design. Wix and Squarespace take very different paths here. Wix offers over 900 fully customizable templates with drag and drop freedom, but once you pick one, you can't switch without rebuilding your entire site. Now, Squarespace, meanwhile, comes with over 190 templates. Yes, that's way less than Wix, but honestly, despite the number difference, Squarespace has more options in a way. Wix templates can often look very similar, while Squarespace gives you a fresh look with nearly every template that I've checked. Plus, with Squarespace, you can change designs anytime and everything stays consistent. Now, if you need a business website builder, Wix provides deeper customization, including more payment gateways, multiple currency support, and more advanced store management tools. It's built for users who want total control, and that's usually needed for online stores. Squarespace focuses on art, digital products and subscriptions a bit more than Wix does, since frankly, Wix focuses on everything. So Squarespace, it just might be better for small businesses and creatives who want a simple yet stylish store. That said, overall, I have to give Wix an advantage for their e-commerce functionality. It really is one of the best business website builder tools. All right, in terms of SEO and marketing, Wix offers stronger hands-on tools like editable meta tags, structured data options, and SEO Whiz for beginners. Squarespace is more automated, integrating email campaigns and social media tools directly into the platform. So here, the same story. Wix suits you better if you want full SEO control, while Squarespace is going to be better if you don't want to tinker with SEO and just prefer an easy integrated setup. That's where Wix customizability doesn't end. It also comes with over 800 options in its app market for everything from analytics to automation, marketing, and more. Squarespace offers fewer integrations, but compensates with polished built-in features like blogging, podcasting, and video monetization. Now, overall, Wix is best for those who want maximum flexibility and developer-level control, while Squarespace Website Builder is the go-to for creatives who want simplicity, stunning design, and reliable built-in tools. So all of that comes at a price, of course. So let's look at Wix versus Squarespace pricing. Honestly, neither platform is the cheapest if you compare to web hosting or some low-end website builders, but both offer way more than that. So the value is solid for what they provide, especially with my discounts from the description. Now, Wix includes a free plan that gives access to its editor, templates, and hosting on a Wix-branded subdomain. The catch is that you're going to have Wix ads on your site and you can't connect a custom domain. To fix that, you're going to need a paid plan. So the entry-level light plan is extremely limited, fine for testing, but not much else. The core plan is an amazing starting point, offering 50 gigabytes of storage, analytics, e-commerce tools, customer accounts, and support for up to 5 collaborators. It's ideal for small sites or beginners who plan to grow over time. Squarespace doesn't have a free tier, so the most budget-friendly option is the personal plan, which includes unlimited pages, storage, mobile-friendly website templates, and 24/7 support, but no e-commerce. The business plan adds online selling, custom code support, and promotional tools, though it does charge a 3% transaction fee. To skip fees and access more advanced sales features, the basic commerce plan is the smarter pick. Squarespace delivers more built-in value from the start than Wix can offer at similar price. So for your money, I have to go with Squarespace. Whichever you choose though, don't forget about my deals in the description to get the best pricing possible. And talking about the best, greatest, and fastest, which one has the better performance? With website builders, you can't tweak server settings yourself, so you need a platform that's fast out of the box. Speed matters, not just for visitors, but also for search engine optimization. Google recommends sites load in under 2.5 seconds to rank well. Wix performance struggles a little bit. In my testing, a Wix site took around 3 seconds to load, so slower than ideal, though some optimization can help. The trade-off is its heavy use of apps and customization tools. Squarespace, meanwhile, loaded in under 2 seconds. While not perfect, it's honestly quite fast, and it did pass the Google recommendation. Uptime is another thing to consider. Websites that are down a lot can cost your business money and give a bad look in general. While it's not possible to have 100% all the time due to things out of their control, like, hey, forces in nature, it was very close to that. Wix averaged 99.98%, while Squarespace hit 99.99% with almost no interruptions. Squarespace also gains points for using a global content delivery network, which helps for faster speeds for connections all around the globe. It also comes with automated image compression, which takes care of too overly heavy images that can take long to load. Now, for security, both builders include SSL certificates for encryption and DDoS protection, and bug bounty programs that reward ethical hackers for spotting vulnerabilities. However, neither offers automatic backups, which is kind of disappointing for premium platforms. So overall, Squarespace wins this round. It's faster, slightly more reliable, and better optimized for performance. All right, that covers my Wix versus Squarespace review. If you're still not sure which one is better for your project, let me sum it up real quick, okay? If you're building a customizable e-commerce site with plenty of unique features, Wix is your best bet. But if you'd rather launch a clean, professional-looking site quickly, go with Squarespace. Plus, it'll be easier on your wallet a little bit too. So just don't forget to use my discounts from the description to not overpay. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. See you around.